Sorry, I've just got up and then like the first thing I've said is going to be speaking to the camera and then I just end up coughing. So welcome to another video. Today I thought I would do another vlog style, day in the life style, I don't know. Anyway, I just thought I'd pick up the camera and film a day of what I'm up to. I have got some work at home plans, so I'll show you a bit of that. Also going to go into town. Well, I'll just show you as I go through the day of what I'm up to and what I'm doing. So I've just got up. I'm going to have some breakfast. God, this is so exciting. And then I need to book some flights because I am going to... Do I tell you or do I keep it surprised? No, I'll tell you. Going to the Alps, which is going to be very, very exciting. So I'm booking that today. And the sun is finally out, so I'm going to go out on my bike. I've got a 90-minute session to do, so I'm just going to go into town. I just thought I would take you along for the day, and yeah, I reckon that is it. So I'm going to get on working. I'm going to get some breakfast and then just work from my bed. /soft office. I quite like that. Okay, so the reason that I'm stood here in my shorts and bra is because I get quite a lot of messages basically saying to me, I want to lose weight, like how did you lose weight, how many calories did you eat, like how much exercise should I do, and a few people said to me, and I find this a bit uncomfortable when people do say this, is they say, oh, you've got the perfect body, you have the body that I want, and the reason that I'm stood here like this is to show you that I don't have a perfect body. I think so many times on Instagram and stuff like that, you see kind of the best pictures, and because obviously people pick the best pictures. I myself do. I pick the pictures where I think I look the best, and that doesn't necessarily mean that all day every day I have a perfect body or a perfect figure, because I don't. I have stuff that I don't like still, but I remind myself that I love my body for what it allows me to do. It allows me to ride up mountains. I get to explore with it, I get to do loads of things with this body, and also one thing that I've realised is sorry, what am I even doing? I'm all over the place. So yeah, just for me personally, like my problem areas, I would say are still my stomach. I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like out of all my body parts, like that's the one thing I'm most conscious of, I guess. And I still carry like weight on my hips, I don't know what you can see there. Like probably there, I would say, is where I have most of my weight. I could still probably lose a bit more weight, but I'm not doing anything to specifically lose weight. I'm just riding my bike and... Sorry, my nose is running. Riding my bike, eating well, and not starving myself. I will never, ever, 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 ever count calories again to starve myself. I just won't do it. I'm just happy with the way I am, I guess. So yeah, that is what I look like. I'm definitely not perfect. I definitely don't have a perfect body, and yeah, I guess I want to just do like a little mini body update for you. I'm up, I'm out of bed, and I've just been working on some emails and planning some videos that I'm going to be filming tomorrow. So yeah, that is what I've been up to. I had my breakfast. I had porridge as always with apple and cinnamon, and then I had about a litre of water, and then yeah, so basically now I'm just going to show you very briefly. Like that is how I would plan like my videos. So I've got one video there, one video there. And yeah, that is just how I like to plan, because so many times I've done videos where I've not really made an outline of what I want to say, and then it just kind of turns into a big rambling mess. So, and that's why I quite like doing these kind of vlog videos. I'm not having anything specific to say. It's just literally just taking you around my day with me, I guess. So yeah, I've been doing emails. It's 11:30 now, so I've been doing that for a little bit, and I'm gonna get my kit on because it's actually sunny. I can see blue skies, and it's been a long time since we had some nice weather, so I think I should just go and make the most of it and go and ride into town. I went out last night actually, and the weather was beautiful. It was so hot and sunny, and I was like, oh, this is amazing.
summer feels like it's hopefully, finally, fingers crossed, here, because I just want to ride loads in the warm, nice weather and not have to worry about taking rain jackets and arm warmers and leg warmers. So I'm all ready to go out, and I just want to share this with you because the postman has just been and delivered something that I've been using for a while, and this is like the updated version, so I want to share it with you, and I'm going to let you know what I think of it. So basically, in fact, do you like my socks and sandals? So yeah, these are the Aftershokz, the new Aeropex like bone conductor headphones. I had the Air ones and I've been using them for a while and really like them. So this is the newer version. Let's have a look at them. So basically it means, because when you're cycling along and you've got your headphones in, you can't hear traffic, whereas these don't actually go, you can see it there, like they don't actually go in your ears, they actually just go on the top of your cheekbone, so you can still hear traffic and stuff if you want to listen to like podcasts or music as you are riding. Because I just don't like listening to music actually in headphones, because especially if you're riding in traffic. So yeah, these are they. They have sent me these to try out, and it is a sponsored video, so just so you know. But because I have tried them before I agreed to do anything with them, I do actually really like them. Oh my god, they are actually really, let me put them down, they're actually a lot smaller than the other ones that I've used. So I think, I've checked the spec of them, and they're like 26 grams, they're tiny, they're waterproof. But I will try them and let you know how I get on with them. Look how little they are. So yeah, you can see there that they're not actually in my ear, so I can still hear stuff that's going on. But one thing that I would suggest, and that I do anyway, I don't ever have it like blaring out. I just have it so I can kind of hear it in like, just like a little bit of something to keep me going. I also use them on like just some of my really long rides through the night, just to kind of keep me occupied, I guess, when it is really quiet. So yeah, these are they. So I'm gonna head into town, and I will see you in a little bit. I've been sat for the past 20 minutes. I thought, oh, I'll just charge my camera up before I go out. Probably for 20 minutes. Literally 20 minutes trying to charge my camera up, and I was like, why will the little charging light on the side of it wouldn't come on? And I was like, oh my god, it's broken. I've been looking at like how to like troubleshoot it. I've looked at YouTube videos. I'm like, why will it not turn on? And then I realised it's not plugged in at the wall, and I was like, oh, I've just wasted 20 minutes of my life. I'm never going to get back. So I'm like, damn it. So at least it's working, at least it's charging, but how ridiculous. Just always check the plugs. If something's not charging, make sure that it's plugged in. What a stupid thing to do. Anyway, as you can see, I'm going to get off now, but look, can you see? They are in. They are, you can't even, they feel a lot less, I don't know what the word is. You can't actually genuinely feel anything that they're there. And I can still hear, which is brilliant. So right, now that I've sorted the charge of the camera, I reckon let's get out on the road while it's still sunny. I had planned to take this hike bar with me, but I've already eaten it. I've not even set off. I'm just in Manchester now, had a little steady ride in, and the Trek shop. I'm going to go have a little nosy around their bikes. I'm not going to necessarily buy anything today, but I'm just going to have a little nosy around, see what's on offer. There's some nice looking bikes. Just like having a look at bikes, seeing what's about, seeing what's on offer. But yeah, everything is going disc brake. Everything is going disc brake. I'm going to do a video actually on, might already be up actually, rim versus disc. One good thing about living at the top of a hill, you've always got to do a hill on your way home. So I just got back, I just got changed, so I'm just going to go and do some my weekly shop, I guess, and I thought I would just take you along as it is a day of a vlog. So I've got a t-shirt on, and I've also changed into my trusty mountain bike shoes. So this is my commuter bike. I don't know if I've ever shown you this, have I don't know. Anyway, I bought it second hand off of eBay. It was in really good condition. Obviously it looks really grimy now because I've been on Manchester's wet and dreary road. So I've got, yeah, just a rack, so I'm going to go and fill these up with food. I mean, some of you might really not be interested in what I eat, but some of you might. So I'm just going to show you what I've bought very, very briefly. Loads of potatoes. I will definitely get through more of those, so I'll probably need to buy more. loads of berries, some fruit, veggies, stir fry, loads of apples, loads of broccoli, and then that's about it. Because I've already got rice and quinoa and lentils in, so I don't need to buy them. But yeah, probably about, how much did that cost? Maybe 35 quid, I think. Oh, and then there was an oat milk as well that I've already put in the fridge. So yeah, that is some of the stuff that I will eat this week. So since you last saw me, I've done some more work on my ebook. Hopefully it will be out at the end of the month. I have, what else have I been doing? Oh, I filmed a video, edited a video. I did a live stream on Instagram, so if you came to say hello on that, really appreciate it. So hello again and thank you. That sounded a bit awkward, didn't it? But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, I guess. And again, it's not like the most exciting day, but I guess I wanted to share just everyday stuff with you because it's not all riding up mountains, it's not all 600k rides, and it means that I can actually just chat to you a little bit more freely than I would if I was doing like a specific video about a specific ride or something. I like that we just have like this conversation. And leading on from that, I feel like I should be honest about something. I'm gonna go to bed, but I'm a bit addicted to this TV programme, and I'm probably gonna get, I'm gonna ask you, please don't be too harsh on me in the comments for watching this programme. I literally do not watch anything else on TV. I don't watch like Game of Thrones or any of those kind of box setty things. Literally nothing like that. But I do watch Love Island. I know, it's so bad. It's so bad. It's just like, I don't know, I just love it because you just don't have to think about it. If you don't know what Love Island is, it's like a reality TV show about couples coupling up, but they are in Mallorca. So it is filmed in Mallorca, so I feel like that's like, I can redeem myself a little bit because I'm like, oh, you can kind of see the Mallorca hills in the distance. So, but yeah, it's just trashy TV, but I do really like it. So I'm going to go and have a little treat, watch that tonight. And then, yeah, that is it for my day. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Very quickly, to make me feel a little bit better, let me know in the comments what's your like guilty pleasure for a TV programme that is really, you know, it's like bad to watch, but you watch it anyway because you just like it. It'll make me feel a lot better about watching Love Island. It's on now, so I'm going to go. And I will see you next video. Bye!